nose.
But maybe we could keep what he's allergic to away from him.
That's it. We need to figure out what Dave's allergic to.
And then we'll get rid of it.
Great thinking, guys.
Let's see what kind of things people are allergic to.
Yeah. Some people are allergic to horses.
I'm allergic to strawberries.
I'm allergic to cats.
But none of those things are in the warehouse.
What other things are people allergic to?
My mom is allergic to dust. It makes her nose get all itchy.
Just like my nose is itchy.
That's it. Maybe the think tank is dusty.
Yep.
I guess it's been a while since we dusted.
No problem. I have just the thing to help us clean up. My new super duper super strength dust sucker upper.
Oh, we better hurry.
Yeah, come on, guys. Let's clean this place up.
Yeah!
I got toys coming out of their box. Here's 17 mismatched socks. There's clothes all over the floor. I got so much stuff I can't shut the door. Gonna put all my toys away, so I can have room to play. And at first it seems like a lot, but if I break it on down, you know that it's not.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up now. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up now. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up now. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. When you clean up, you gotta get down, so your knees are close to the ground, and you wave your hands all around, and you pick up the toys that you found. Now you got everything you can hold, from your games to your toys to your clothes. Put them high, put them middle, put them low, 'cause you know where everything goes. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up now. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up now. Pick it up, pick it up, come on, pick it up.
She got it! Thanks, guys.
Well, that ought to do it. We cleaned the whole think tank.
It looks great.
Yeah,